In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and understand your email campaign report in Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to analyze your campaign's performance effectively. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Mailchimp's website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be welcomed by the Mailchimp dashboard. This is your control center where you'll manage all aspects of your email marketing campaigns. Now from the dashboard, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. You'll see various tabs there, and for our purpose today, you want to click on the Campaigns tab. This is where all the magic happens, where Mailchimp houses your previous and ongoing email campaigns. Once you've clicked into Campaigns, you're going to want to select the option that says All Campaigns. By doing this, you'll get a comprehensive view of your past campaigns, allowing you to make comparisons and identify trends. Next, it's time to find the specific campaign you wish to analyze. If you've been conducting multiple campaigns, you might have several to choose from, so take a moment to locate the one you're curious about. Once you've identified your campaign, click on its name. This action will open up the report for that specific campaign. You'll now be in a space where you can delve into the analytics and gather key insights. Now you'll want to select the View Report option to access the detailed metrics that Mailchimp provides. This section is where you can study the various elements of your email performance. It's time to dive into the key metrics that Mailchimp provides. Let's start with the open rate. This is a crucial metric as it indicates the percentage of recipients who opened your email. A high open rate often signifies that your subject lines are compelling and that your sender reputation is strong, which are both excellent indicators of a successful email strategy. Now, moving on to the click-through rate or CTR. This percentage tells you how many recipients clicked on a link within your email. A high CTR is a wonderful sign that your email content was engaging and relevant to your audience's interests. Next up is the bounce rate. This figure shows the percentage of emails that were not successfully delivered. Maintaining a low bounce rate is essential and indicates that your email list is clean and up to date. Lastly, let's talk about the unsubscribe rate. This represents the proportion of recipients who decided to opt out of your mailing list after receiving your email. Keeping an eye on this number is crucial as it helps you adjust your content strategy to reduce unsubscribes and keep your audience engaged. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to viewing and understanding your email campaign reports in Mailchimp. By regular analysis of these metrics, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your email marketing strategies like a pro. Happy analyzing and see you next time.